Beep boop bop, it's Becca, and welcome back to Baking with Becca. So today we're going to make some vegan avocado brownies. This is gonna make the brownies nice and smooth and creamy, but also gooey. And this is like really trendy, so we're super cool, so here we go. So here are all of our ingredients for our brownies. Let's start over here. We have half an avocado, a quarter cup of oil, 1 cup of flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, 3/4 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 cups of rice milk, 1 cup of chocolate chips. First, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And our first real step, is to mash our avocado. So get your best spoon. Fork. Get your fork. And you just have to mash it and try and get out all of the lumps. Okay, keep mashing until you get out all of the lumps, because you don't really want chunks of avocado in your brownies. Unless you do, then leave the lumps. Okay, our avocado is all smooth, and now you want to add your oil in and mix that up. Now it's good that you can use avocado in baking recipes because it eliminates some of the oil that you need. That looks nasty. Ooh. Okay, so now that that is all silky smooth, we're gonna add it into a big bowl. Delicious. Then we're gonna add in all the rest of the ingredients. Then we're gonna hold off on adding the chocolate chips until this is completely mixed together. Now that it's all mixed together, it's a pretty thick batter, which is what you want. And then you can add in your chocolate chips. And now mix it up. Now let's prep our pan. Now before we add our batter into our pan, we need to spray it with some baking spray to make sure it does not stick. I just like to use a paper towel to make sure it's evenly spread out. And now add your batter. It's evenly spread out, so now this is going to bake for about 20 minutes. You can check it by sticking a toothpick in, and if it's clean, it means it's done, but that probably won't work because there's so many chocolate chips, so just be careful, but you can kind of tell if it looks like it's done. Okay, the brownies are done. They smell incredible. They didn't bake for 20 minutes. They baked for more like 35 or 40 minutes because they're very thick. I don't know what I was thinking. But then they sat for like 20 minutes. They're still warm, but they've like settled a little bit. So I'm gonna cut a piece. Oh. Okay, I did a really bad job, but they look so good. Okay, I'm gonna try a piece of this. Wow, that is so good. It's so chocolatey and super soft and super moist and gooey, but also cakey. So obviously the chocolate chips are what makes it gooey. This recipe is so good. And don't worry, you don't taste the avocado, but it makes it like extra fluffy and soft. This is so good. Also make sure to eat it warm. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, try out the recipe, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Bye.